Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to another Coding Not So Everyday Delegate Job. This is day 129, and today I'd like to continue the Moneta and monitor the 68 Studios Google console. So I think let's do the console check first. Um, yeah, we can do the console check first, and then we can continue with the Moneta. There was a we yesterday I was so tired, and we ran out of token, and I cannot do it without Gemini because it is pure on running on pure on vibes anyway. So continue personal attacker. Let's do. Let's just do. Saved, and then one more thing that we need to do is the subtitle, and probably changing this to the worst setting so that it doesn't consume that much RAM. This looks okay. My face looks like I'm about to be angry at something, but no worries. Pop out chat, close it, copy paste. Okay, nice. Okay, so let's check the um, Google Chrome first. Because when I search on Google, I can already kind of see some of the description actually being rendered, or yeah, let's see the monitor. See top pages. I don't think, yeah, okay. It's probably myself, but it's okay. Okay, we already have some Vef icon working. Let's see the page indexing. See which pages here. Okay, pages aren't indexed. Okay, never mind. What is this? What videos aren't in videos? Sitemap? Sitemap is a success, but we have no insights yet. Nobody's clicking it on Google, but that's okay. Because if we that's it's okay. It's only been like less than a week as well, so I know it's gonna take a while, so no worries about that. But if we go to Google search and we search the 68, we can actually see. Let's see if 68. Okay, no, it doesn't. Actually, yeah, 68 actually goes to this. Okay, this is the correct meta tags and description, so that is very, very nice. Ooh, it's a library? Attached package on npm? Oh, cool. But yeah, you can actually see it's just that the Vef icon is not rendering. I don't know why. Now let's just offers photo, video creation, editing, documentation. That is correct. And if we go here, we can get into the site. The last time we check, the performance was still terrible. Let's run a Lighthouse, but all the other is looking pretty good, like the other three numbers, but we'll see how that goes. Yeah, I don't know, it's probably gonna be worse now since, but I don't know. I hope Cloudflare already caches some of the caches some of the assets, so we wouldn't really, like, the site wouldn't really need to fetch it from the R2, but yeah. Okay, the performance is worse, I guess, because I have a lot of plugins and attachment plugins and that. But yeah, look at this. We have I don't know what Goober is, to be honest. Open Graph, rec router. Yeah, I use rec router only for the routing, although I don't know if you can see it, but let me. Okay, Lighthouse score is okay. It's just that I know the performance is gonna be shit because of the 3D model. Yeah, it's able to recognize this ini, and then we have some 3GS, so that's pretty cool. Okay. Okay, it's just that the five icon are still okay. If you go to the website, the five icon is working. It's just that when in the search console, it's not working. I want to try Bing. Have Bing like index the 68 site. Not yet. Okay. Okay, not yet. But my videos and the Instagram um at least are showing up. Okay, not in the images. Maybe we should make it better. Any what about videos? Has to be a good one. Yes. Okay, we got the TikTok one, but all the other doesn't make sense. So Bing is working. Let's try DuckDuckGo or like search engine market share. Okay, Google still is 90%, so we're still kind of safe. Bing, Yandex, and Dr. Okay, Yandex. Maybe we can try Yandex. Search. Still not on. Does it able to? Okay, it's not. Okay, it's still not. You still can't really see it here. Maybe I should put some blogs in there to like increase the availability or something like that. Maybe we can create some static blog there. What about Yandex? Isn't Yandex like the? Is it Chinese or the Russian one? Uh, this is more interesting. It's such my GitHub. Okay, that is interesting. Well, I mean, I put the code out there. It's probably yeah, GGS site for production house and film studio based in Indonesia. Probably should. You know, it's fine. Yeah, it's just JavaScript. You know what? It's fine. It's okay. Okay, I think we can continue with. Okay, this is some. Yeah, next. Oh, what about images? Mojang. We got index to Mojang and some random stuff. It's okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is actually pretty quick index. It's using React and Hero UI. Oh, cool. Okay, let's continue with this. I just need a yes or no. No. Okay, that's bad. Okay. Can we go back to starting balance page implementation and okay, dismiss. Let me find that implementation plan again. It's not this one. That means in the here. How can we make okay? Can I still use this chat window or not? Is there a way I could copy this? Is there like a artifact implementation plan? Can I copy? Okay, if I copy that, will it copy the other part? How can I copy the artifact? All of it. I'm just gonna copy it, I guess. Wait, no, this is not that. This is still the monthly expense. Yeah, no, this is the previous one. Dashboard fees. This is not it. Okay. This one has, but how do we get this stuff? Did you use Obsidian Fix? Sorry, can you try repeat that? What was the question? For making documentation, or you use built-in VS Code stuff for documentation? Your to-do list seems like on VS Code. Yes. .md, but with anti-gravity in plan mode, they create them first, and then I'm just gonna refer it to it, yeah, and it asks for confirmation before building. And thank you, Alfie, for the Discord upgrade. Sorry I didn't see it yet, but I think it looks pretty good now. Although probably we should find a better name and put better stuff there. I see that there is a few bot. I don't know if that's... And I see we have a lo-fi radio. Is it like 24/7 on? Oh, I forgot. I need to do a stream alert. But you know what? That's gonna be annoying. I don't really want to disturb anybody. No, this is not this implementation plan, is it? Oh wait, no, it is. Okay. Yes, it is. Does it have the task? No, not this one. Can we see the task again? It's not this one, so it's definitely the previous one. Fix something, or is it this one? Yes. Can it not be? Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's this one. That doesn't look as impressive as this one. Okay, so um this is done. That's done. The backend API is not yet checked. But you know what? Wait, okay. I'm just gonna. I have some experience in making a good community, so I want to add some stuff or really expecting your design though. Thank you so much. I don't know. I don't know any good thing or like what's the best thing. But if you have any suggestion or like if you can just make the server nice, I think that's cool. Because to be honest, I don't really know what to do with that. Should I create like events? Should I create like a guide, like a group, like and then list some of my project there to like promote my own stuff? Could you please finish the API endpoint? Yeah. I think that's all that needs to be done. Yes, okay. Please work. Okay, we have this. We are ready to... Okay, there's still a lot of errors that... Should I just fix a lot of the... Close to the right. The import looks okay. A lot of the TypeScript stuff is still going crazy. I think no, it was from the other project, not this one. I guess it should be working all by now. Yeah, okay, so this is probably is gonna be the one that is a bit difficult. Parse int. What parameter does it take? Like the number. Value between two resistors with numbers. Oh, okay. Okay. I think we can try to run the lint first and then fix some of those lint. Sorry, PMPM check with biome. It's probably gonna, yeah, it's probably gonna do that again. Even though it's not all of the, okay, this is getting crazy. Okay. That's a lot of things that's going error. But I want to focus on not the UI stuff. I want to focus on the other component or the hooks. Necessary. This dependency can be from the list. Unsafe fix. Sorting balance. The import is unused. Okay, we could just remove that. The variable is also unused. So sorting balance form. Okay. Before testing, I'd like to fix. You know what? It's fine. So for the starting balance list. Yeah, probably because it's not being okay. How do we do that? Let's do it one by one. Yeah, starting balance. Let's see if we have any other starting balance error. Starting balance. This is the starting balance txt. So starting balance list. Let's do per component so it wouldn't confuse the AI. Starting list. Starting list. Starting list. Okay, let's do it. Fix 10 is parameter. Doesn't have functionality yet. I should prefix the parameter with an underscore to indicate it's intentionally unused. Okay, nice. Now the next one is sidebar. Starting balance form. I think I could just delete that. I think there won't cause that much error. Starting balance form. There is this unused error. Maybe we could I guess we could add some error handling there. Is it in the balance? Yes, balance form. For this, could you use that error for error handling? And the is loading as well. Like the is loading is supposed to show like the skeleton, I think. We can add some loading skeleton as well. we have some error handling, and the is loading is, yeah, it's being handled as well, so that's cool. That's done. Balance list, we already done that. Sidebar, UI host. Used host, let's see. Type. Let's do go to the. Okay, what is the cause of the error? If it's not. Maybe we can just use. Yeah, why is it not being used? Yeah, this one. It's definitely being used somewhere, no? Why did it create a used host hook? Yeah, I don't remember. I really don't remember. Starting balance. Ah, okay, this one. Unexpected any with the starting balance should be avoided. The HTML element with the inactive rolling is not focusable. This element with this role can be changed to the following event. Role length. Okay. This is from the breadcrumb though, like the ShadCN stuff. Maybe we could like skip any error from the ShadCN. Okay, cool. At least a lot of the component is not gonna be okay. It's still error, so you know what? It's fine. Let's just do the PNPM. Check. Right. And save. You know what? Sorry. You know what? It's okay. Never mind. Let's just run the dev server. Sorry. Sorry. 3001. I don't see any colors, bro, and monthly expenses is still too big, and then I couldn't see any color with this. Okay, how should we do this? Okay, but it worked. The expense categories worked. Let's just say we did another expense today as expense. Let's do probably like 12. Let's do transportation. Maybe let's do Uber. Save transaction. Go back to dashboard. Okay, it is definitely working. What month is it right now? It's November. Sorry. Okay. Current balance. Let's balance. Starting balance. Let's say add starting balance. Let's add maybe like 100, 1,500. It is from savings. Revolut savings or something, and we can just put it back in August 1 or something. And then if we go back 90 days, I think we would be able to see. We can add custom ranged. That's crazy. Okay. Oh my god, you know, SPA with just 10 stacks, 10 stack router, and this is so fast. Even on dev, it's so fast. I love it. Okay. Probably gonna stop using Next.js and go to 10 stack all the way. Because this is just fantastic. Okay, sorry. Okay, it looks pretty good. I think I'm gonna commit it first. And then edit some monthly and bar and pie chart. Bar and pie chart for expenses. It's more than that, but commit. It's fine. And then we're going to, okay, we're going to add a few more things. So we can just Control C. Let's list it down like yesterday. Like first, I want the, but I do not want to make the changes yet. And I don't want to give out like a huge big prompt. I want to do it one by one. Okay, before merging. Okay, how much content? Doesn't what I don't like about anti-gravity, they don't really show the context window or how much, yeah, how big the percentage of the, yeah, basically doesn't really tell the limit, or like, oh, is the model getting dumb or something. At least with the cursor and with, I don't know if VS Code to have it, like they give like percentage or sort of like a bar that shows the the thing, the context windows, like how much context the LLM has already used, and to keep them from being dumb. Okay. Okay, I couldn't really see the percentage. Why does it cut off here? Why does it have some cut off? Maybe if we make it normal like this, would that work? I mean, what is cutting it off? I don't understand. Um, path rechart, path surface. Okay, which one is this? Can it work even with the padding? Why does it cut off? Always cut off. Is it because this fill foreground? No, it's not. Okay, why is it doing that there? Why couldn't I have some proper padding? That's odd. Something wrong with the tooltip, maybe? From bold, from medium. Huh. This doesn't do anything. I wanna. It's not 0%. It's supposed to be more. Okay. Can I not use that? Okay. How come putting dash dash chart 1 turns it into dark color? I don't understand. Maybe we should just put the okay value. Oh, it's bar. Okay, and now it's gonna work. There we go. Okay, I don't like it. That is not very good, actually. Okay, that is not actually very good color. I don't really like it. Damn. Okay. They all just look the same. I don't want it. I don't want that. Okay. This is much better. Yes, that's what I did, but I guess I don't know which. Okay, so directly styling the thing would actually be better. Cool. Accept. Much better. That actually worked. Thank you. Oh my god. Okay. Now we just need to do colors because that's like the most important thing. What type of green do we use? We do not have any green. That's the thing. So just let's just do. Let's try to add another expense for. Let's just say what other categories that we have. Let's do health. Let's add probably like 5 for vitamin. And we bought it last week or like on the 10th of November. I don't like this quick rate. I'm gonna remove the quick rate. Quick rate. And then there is this padding issue with this. So I think we could also, okay, there's also this padding issue with the. Just a little bit more, I guess. We could probably do that. Now, what is this issue here? It says that, okay, there is this sort of, what is this, PV10? No, that's not the issue. Yeah, no, that's not the issue. It's not this padding, to be honest. It is the container itself, the area chart itself. Hello, hello. Okay, so the other thing that I want to fix is this. I tried that, but I don't know which part is controlling the card height. This is the width for the trigger, the select here, so it's this one. Did I open myself? Oh shit. Okay, wait. We can just close this. We can at least save like 100 gigs of RAM. Chart container. Can I? Okay, because the thing is, the config is using the chart config. For the chart config, does it have like height? No, it doesn't have. Okay. I'm gonna ask. Okay, for the chart bar monthly, it's a bit too big. Could you decrease the height and size of the chart? Because it's not gonna lie, it's a bit too okay. We can just put this parameter. Should I just put it inside of okay? I'm just don't wanna. It's fine. It's fine. Sorry, should have just tested by myself. Like I just want it to be like around this big. I don't know if that's yeah, okay. That is much better actually. Okay, nice. This is actually much better. It's just the color again. It's not working. So which one do I change? I just need to add a class name to it, so almost correct. Now this is a much more uniform. Maybe it's just the color that we need to fix. Okay, which one is the color setting? Let's just not use this then. For some reason, the chart color is not being present. I don't know why, but probably we could do add sidebar primary. Are you serious? Doesn't change it. Okay. CHL. Now there we go. That is working. Okay, cool. You know what? Since it's expenses, I think I'm gonna use destructive. Correct. And then I want to make like an arrow, like put the right arrow on the monthly expense, and then if we go to the right, it's gonna show the income. Okay. Dismiss. Okay, cool. Select another model. Let's do okay. See, it's already running out of stuff to ini. Okay. Can I? No, okay, we cannot use any other model. Fast. Currently, we only have. What else should we consider? Yeah, because let us see, like what other context we could give so it would be better. We just want the exact same thing, but for income, and I want to use the color. It's this one. It's the emerald. I don't know if that's enough for good context. Currently focus on getting the monthly. I want to see the thought. Is the mirroring data fetching from the server route, but naturally displaying income data. I'm exploring the best practice for this code duplication and how to refactor. Whether existing backend already provides necessary income. I've scoped out the designing new income chart API. How to use emeralds for the work. Okay, it did create a new route in the dashboard for the monthly income, basically. To be honest, I forgot. What does the call ls function do? So transform to array. That is correct. Let's see the other edited file. Monthly income is the new one. I don't think we need to use client in this because we are not using Next.js. No, reject. I do not want to run the build command. Let's accept all. Oh, it has some use client. Do we need use client? Oh, actually it has a lot of use client. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay. I didn't know that. Let's run the dev server. Check if it's working. Okay, this is Awesome. Okay, nice. Now I just need to style it and color it better because damn, this is terrible. Okay. Actually, I think we can just remove this because I don't need this. Quick create? Quick create for what? No, no, let's just delete this. I don't think I would need this. To be honest, do we need this? No, we don't. We could just remove nav main, to be honest. And then see which part is error. Yeah. Ooh, this is nice. Um, what else could we use here? What is this? Currency. Oh, this is actually kind of cool. What is copy JSX? Copy component name. We can just do that. Just well, that's what I want. What did I change? Okay, let's see. Is it this one? What did I change? Currency. Which file have the currency? Oh my god. Okay, so icon currency. No, no, no. There we go. But I want to make this. Where is it? It's in this href. No, that doesn't work. Okay. No, 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 no. It's fine. Looks pretty good. Um, looks okay. You know what? Some quirks of the heading isn't really gonna do much. It's not gonna destroy its functionality, but it is working quite okay. I couldn't see my chat. I don't know why. Never mind then. I guess that's it. Let's go to RD YouTube. Hello, Nova. What's up? Okay, the dark isn't actually. This is in dark mode. It's way better. Except that one, because okay, there has to be a way where I could style this better or using a okay. I want to use let's go to Google font. I want to use something that is more what do you call it? More mono style. So let's do filters. Let's do oh shit. Let's do mono. Where is the mono font? Mono space. Let's do anything mono space. TM mono space. Okay, space mono. Oh, maybe something like 8-bit would be nice, but I guess just regular mono is fine. What else could we use? Right. Ooh, Doto seems fun, but not fun enough. Which one should we use? Pixel? Maybe something with the Pixel. Jersey 10. It's a bit too thick. Not a problem. Let's do calm. Something calm. I need something that is not too. Okay, we can control. You can control that one. JetBrains Mono or IBM Plex Mono. Which one do we pick? Is the chat working? That's share tech. This is a bit too typewriter-y. Ooh, what is this? Why is only the W has a cool character? Let's see more 8-bit. Share technology. Google Sans Flex. It looks okay. Let's try this. I guess Google Sans Flex. What if I want to use Sorry, I didn't see all good just watching you vibing. Exactly. This is pure. I'm running on pure vibes here. And hey, we have 760 subscribers. Thank you very much, everyone. This is. I hope my roommate doesn't think I'm weird talking to myself at night, every night. I mean, we're using Tailwind 4. There is no need to. Do we have a Tailwind config? We do not. Okay. Config. I guess that's it, right? Only change the index.css because we're only using that. Okay. Font is now applied throughout. Nice. That actually looks not that bad. Looks pretty good, actually. Just actually not that bad. Actually, this looks okay. This looks pretty good, actually. Yeah, I'll take it. It's fine. Although some texts are not as readable, maybe in light mode, sorry. I prefer the light mode. Maybe we could change a little bit of the color, adding a little bit more contrast. But overall, I think the main part of the app is finished. So I think we can commit them. Oh, wait, I forgot. We can run the PNPM check first. Then we're gonna merge it and fix all of this. Let's go. Okay, here we go. We can ignore a lot of the error from ShadCN. The one that okay. Okay, nav dash main. Okay, that's wait, we have a manifest? Is there a description? No, it doesn't. Okay, cool. It is already set up as PWA, but it is downloadable. Holy, that is actually pretty fucking cool. Nice. Okay, so the logo needs to be fixed. I'm gonna add the logo maybe in a few days. Hopefully, I can probably do it tomorrow. But yeah, I think the overall functionality seems to be working just fine. Previously, so the thing that I want to make with this is just that previously I was tracking my expense, income, income, expenses, and everything using Excel and sorry, using Docs, using Word, not Word or Docs, with Google Sheets, and I just want to create something for myself that's much more personal, even though it's very shatsy and probably gonna style to make it more personal later. But yeah, the font is not that font anymore. It's using... Huh, okay. Why is it not working? The font is not working. The font is not working anymore. Maybe you can try a different browser. Okay, why didn't it was using the font, now it's not anymore. Did I update something in the index that changes it? Font sans. There we go. Why did it only sound in a dark mode? That's odd. I just really don't like this shadow. That is a bit too... Okay, I like this with the red and green emerald, but this, I need to change this. The healthcare needs to be something else and added more contrast to the tooltip, even though it's pretty good. But looks pretty okay. And if we click here, we can see the monthly income. And then if we go back to the year, we could search stuff. That is actually pretty cool. I would actually pretty much put my last year's data as well in here. Or I could probably start using it for the December month, because December is in like 2 days anyways. So that's that. And yeah, I guess that's it for tonight. It's pretty good. Thank you for Gemini and the other guys. Styling and new and okay, while it's waiting, I would probably no. We need to make sure the git history is good, so we're gonna merge it after this. Okay. Oh wow, we finished the playlist again. Well, it is almost 2 hours, so we could pick another one. We did the Chill House, Chill House number 4. I think there is a Chill House number 2. Is it? Uh, oh wow, it has a lot. So let's just find a more suitable one. Maybe we can use the. Is there like an M? But this is the Monero. You know, it's not Moneta. It's Monero. The crypto. So what can we use? What is this? Cointaka. Is it? Currency Larry. Calendar dollar. Brand Cash App, Brand Mastercard, Brand Revolut, Brand Stripe, Brand Stripe. This is my combinator. Cash, Coin Euro, Coin Bitcoin, Cloud Dollar. Let's do Cloud Dollar. Is this like the correct one? Let's check if they have Cloud Dollar. They do. Okay, we can remove this and use. We already have the update. Yes, we can run dev. Yeah, okay, I like that. It's okay. Oh, really? Wait, what? Okay, that is... I did... Yeah, that's my bad, that's my bad. Doesn't really do anything, does it? Thank you for pointing that out. See? Sorry. Okay, that is actually quite long for the used hose. Let's just do one, I guess. Why does it take so long? Amount, let's say we got 8.50. It is for dining out. Let's just say we bought donor. I know, maybe 7. I don't know. That's probably like a real price of donor. Okay, was it so long? I just realized that that took so long. How what did we do here? I guess it's just that long. We got 20 euros cash from bank, cash from ATM. That is still a bit too long. Why is it too long? Let's do 500. Let's just say it's not 20, but it's 25. That is still too long. Let's just say I have 50, and let's say it's savings as well from dad. He gave it this time. That is still so long. How? What if we do 100 and refresh? Maybe because it's not refreshed. Okay, let's just say we got let's just say we earn 850 from salary, and it's work being student. That is still so long. I have no idea what making it. Let's just make it 200. It's fine. Maybe because of that. I think you could just ignore it. It's fine. Okay, that's it. I think that's it for now. Thank you very much for everyone for watching. Another vibe coding, full on vibes today, and a few days back. What a lovely fix. Okay, now we only have the main branch. Yeah, okay, so we can do git check out clean, git full. Nice. Nice. Okay, branch clean, merge done. I think all that left is like clean up some of like no branding. Next part is branding, and then we could deploy them. I think I want to deploy it on my VPS, so let's just use Docker for it. Let's just say let's open a new window. Is there a way I wanna let's On a VPS, I rent. Thank you, Claude. Okay, to be honest, all the development is done, and I'm probably gonna end it soon. And yeah, we practically made the core MVP work. Yeah, I just need to make the branding a little bit better, adjust the styling a little bit better, and yeah, I think that should be good to go. And I hope everyone have a great day, have a great night, have a great evening or morning or whatever it is in your time zone. Um, and yeah, I hope everyone have a great and amazing weekend. Happy weekend. You know, tomorrow is Saturday. Enjoy your weekend. See you guys tomorrow or in the next day or in any other day of the week until I get a job. Inshallah. Bye bye.